I got this problem. To resolve this issue, we have two solutions to fix this issue. The first one is whenever it is a form, whenever you are coming to the description, it is showing this one like bottom overflowed. To fix this issue, go to the scaffold and add a parameter like avoid resize to avoid bottom padding false. Set it to false. Then it resolve this issue. This is the first way, and the second way is the second one is to add a single child scroll widget to this column. Like just go to and create a new widget, like if this is a single child scroll widget. Single child single child scroll view widget. These are the two solutions for to fix this the bottom overflow or any overflowed errors. Thank you.